How to contact Fiverr customer support. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to connect Fiverr's customer support. So first of all, just simply open the fiverr.com and just open the official website and simply log into your account using your credentials. And once you have logged into your Fiverr's official website and logged into your account, in order to contact the customer support center, all you have to do is just simply scroll down and come at the bottom of the screen. And over here you will be able to see bunch of different articles like categories, about, support, community, and business solutions. So in order to contact the customer care support on the Fiverr account, just simply go to the help and support center under the support and education. Just simply click on it. Now just scroll down and select the kind of category in which you want the support from the customer team. So I'm selecting trust and safety for now. And over here just simply scroll down and you will be able to see the option called contact us. Just simply tap on it, and now you have to select the option again, account and security, and you can select Fiverr Pro and other things. So you can see I have selected my problem that I'm facing. Now you just simply have to add a subject of the problem or the error that you're facing in your Fiverr account, and just add the description. Make sure to add the detailed description of the problem or the error that you're facing in your Fiverr account in order to reach out to the customer support and tell them everything in order to so that they can help you better with their services. So just simply add the description over here, and you can also attach the file like a screenshot or anything, for example a bug or a error that you're facing in your account. You can attach the file over here so that they can see it and review it. And once you have entered the subject and the description and also have attached the file for the problem that you're facing, just simply click on send request. And as soon as you send your request, you have to wait for some time until the Fiverr team will saw your problem, and they will definitely reach out to you and help you regarding solving that particular problem. So yeah, this is basically how you will be able to contact Fiverr's customer support. I hope you find this video to be helpful.
So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.